Hi, my name is Vernanda Anugerah Putra. My metric number is 18510, and now I am going to show you how to integrate this equation by using the use substitution method. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pick a u, and it's either going to be sine or cos because it's either on the other. And we are going to use sine because that will basically cancel out cos later, and we won't have to deal with a minus because we have to derive to differentiate the u. So we're going to pick sine as our u. So let's say u, because we're not going to disregard this, just going to pick sine x as our u. So now we know that du, or the differentiation of u, is equals to cos x times dx. Now, because we have a dx right here, we are going to find dx itself. So we know if we basically crisscross everything, we know that dx is equals to du. That looks a lot like dy, not du, divided by cos x. So now we know that dx is equal to du cos x. Now we have to write this equation down in basically a u form. So we are going to write that down. So let's write that down. So just to make my life easier, I'm gonna write u because we know that there's a quadrant here. So we are going to write u to the power of 2 times cos x times, now we have dx right here, and we are going to replace that dx with this right here. So let's do that. So du divided by cos x. So we're going to cancel that out. I'm going to cancel this out. And then the result would be 4, 0, u to the power of 2. So now we are going to integrate this. So now that the integration of that is going to be u power of 3 divided by 3, because it's 1 per 3, then by 4 and 0. So now we are going to insert our u back, which is sine x, into the original equation. So we know that it's sine x power of 3 divided by 3. Now we're going to have to basically evaluate that in terms of pi per 4 and then 0. We know that sines, we know that we're going to have to minus the result of this with this right here. And we know that the result of sine 0 is 0, and 0 divided by 3, and then to the power of 3, and then divided by 3 is 0. So we are just going to basically care about this part right here. So now we know, if you use a calculator, the result of sine x, which we'll replace, which is pi per 4 to the power of 3, and then divided by 3 is equals to square root of 2 divided by 12, which will result in 0.1183, also based on my calculator. So that's the result of this integration using the u substitution, which is square root of 2 divided by 12.